Hey friends, just want to do a quick update on some shop upgrades that I did over the past, I guess, year and a half. So I'll just show you these real quick video, and just let you know how the shop has come along. Okay, the first item here is a flippable cart that I put my sander, belt sander, and radial sander down there. I'll give you the information on how to build it, but yeah, you just flip it like that, put that latch there. There's another latch on this side that you flip, and then it's pretty balanced, pretty easy. Then now I have that sander available, and that one's tucked away underneath. And then it's got a nice drawer here for sanding materials and so forth. And it even has a power cord, so all I have to do is turn them on. For example, so it's already, both of them are hooked up inside of this. This has a power cord inside. So yeah, the flip cart, here's the plans. It's from Fisher's shop. He's on YouTube, and he has a flip cart and that's a really good addition to the shop for sure. The next item is this this arm for two things: for the dust collection. As you can see, there's dust collection here, and an outlet that I wired and set up here so that I can, as I work in the middle, this will move out. Now, as you can see, the board here is twisted because of the weight, which is causing it to hang down. So what I did was I got some of this angle iron, and I'm going to make that stronger at the top right here. So I'll put that angle iron at the top, see if that helps fix that. But that's going to be really helpful for me. It's already been helpful. All right, the biggest change you probably just saw was a J. Bates miter saw station. And this is modified to fit my area. As you can see, it fits right there at the window, has a miter saw, and has tons of storage space and cubby holes, and has the dust collection underneath. So this is a real quick video. I just wanted to show you this. This was really fun to build, and I recommend this because it took a lot of the little knickknacks that I have, and I was able to store everything pretty neatly. So really love this addition. Okay, the next item is a dust collection cart, which I had built one before, but this one has a smaller footprint, and this is from the Woodworks. It's MWA Woodworks, and you can see that on YouTube. I'll go show you the cart right now. I know the shop's a mess, but this really helped to build this cart. As you can see, I have my dust collection bucket here, and the actual shop vac is underneath, and it has some nice big casters so they don't get hung up. And I basically took my old cart and crafted this one using the plans from that woodworking shop, and this is really great. I can use this all around the shop. Has the PVC pipe coming up from the vac, and it works really great. I can take it out to the cars and vacuum the cars and all of that. So really happy with this additional shop utility. I think that does it for what I've done for the shop. Okay, a future video that's upcoming is my BB gun from 1971. My dad bought this BB gun for my brother and I, and it hasn't been shot since the mid-70s. But what I'm going to be doing is refurbishing this to make sure that it shoots BBs, and this will be used by my grandson and granddaughter. I got a kit from a guy out there. I think I'll provide the information in the video, and I also have these little magnetic buckets to hold the parts. But I'll have basically a 3-series video: the breakdown, the cleaning, and the third video will be the reassembly. Okay, the next projects that are upcoming. This box contains blocks from my childhood, whenever I was very, very young. And my dad actually worked for this company, A.B. Dick, his entire career in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Anyway, this box contains those children's blocks, and what I want to do is clean them and put on some wax to make them almost brand new, and then my grandchildren will get to play with the blocks that I played with. So this is really a sentimental project that I can't wait to get started on soon. The next project is, I'm not sure if I even will post it, but this box right here includes all of the college love letters when my grandmother and grandfather, who were my dad's parents, my grandmother went to Goucher College, I think that's in Baltimore, and my grandfather was at Gettysburg College in Pennsylvania. And when they were courting, these are all the letters that my grandmother saved from their courtship. So that's going to be very, very special. And I also have, I'm going to put them in chronological order in this binder. And I have some acid-free archival sleeves, photo sleeves, to put each letter in, as well as the envelopes. So I also have some of these cotton gloves to handle them with. So that'll be a great project upcoming.